Hidayat Urdu.
Allah is the best planner. A most unusual Hajj story. This man is from Ghana. He is poor and lives outside the city. A few years ago, a drone belonging to a Turkish news agency fell next to his house. When the Turkish journalists came looking for it, they found the man holding the drone in his hands, and he jokingly asked them, "Do you have a larger one that can take me to Hajj?" The journalists published the story, and the Turkish government decided to send the man to Hajj, all expenses paid. Here he is in Makkah, ready for his Hajj. The moral of the story: when Allah calls upon you to come to Makkah, He will use whatever and whoever to make your journey possible. Allah is the best planner.